Today in this video we are going to see the lesson sorting materials into group. Why grouping is required. The process of sorting things according to some basis is called grouping. Grouping objects based on their properties. All objects around us are made up of one or more materials. These materials may be wood, paper, glass, cotton, rubber or clay. Each material has its unique characteristics. For example, a chair can be made from only one material such as wood or from a combination of more than one material such as wood and fabric. On the other hand, one material could also be used for making different objects. For example, wood is used for making furniture as well as spoons, decorative artifacts, doors, etc. Also, the same object can be grouped in different ways based on different properties. Now, we will show you the table with examples of objects made from materials. Wood can be made into chairs, tables, spoons, wardrobes, beds, chest of drawers, decorative artifacts, doors. Metal can be made into household utensils, musical instruments, bells, automobile equipments and tools, statues, spoons, wardrobes and grills. Glass can be made into windows, doors, decorative artifacts and utensils. Paper can be made into newspapers, books, notebooks and bags. Can you think of making a cooking pan using a wood or a water jug using a paper? Probably not. This is because we have to take into common consideration various properties of material which would serve the purpose of that object. To choose an appropriate material for making an object, we need to study its properties. Some of the common properties of materials include roughness, hardness, luster, transparency, solubility, flotation, physical state, behavior towards a magnet, and conduction of heat and electricity. Material can appear different based on their different properties such as luster, hardness, roughness, or smoothness. Materials that can be compressed easily are called soft, while materials that are difficult to compress are called hard. For example, cotton, sponge, and jelly are soft, while iron and wood are hard. This is an example of soft, which is cotton. This is an example of hard, which is wood. Based on the surfaces, there are two types, even and uneven. When we touch the bark and sandpaper, we feel uneven bumps and ridges on their surface. These are rough material. On the other hand, materials such as silk or glass have even surfaces and lack of bumps. These are smooth materials. Sandpaper is an example of rough materials. Materials that have shiny surfaces are lustrous. All metal in their pure states such as copper, gold and silver have luster. This properties of material is used to make jewelry and artifacts from them. Materials that do not possess shiny surface are non-lustrous. Examples are wood, plastics and non-metals such as gases and sulfur. This is an example of lustrous material.